Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This soundbar is Bose Smart Ultra soundbar. This gadget will help you to hear your favorite movie like never before. It is loaded with Dolby Atmos, which separates dialogue, music and sound effects for an epic three-dimensional spatial sound, just like at cinema. Through space technology, make it feel like the sound is coming at you from every direction. An AI dialogue mode enhances the clarity of conversation so you can hear every word. Hook it up to your TV easily with HDMI, eARC or optical audio connection. Pair it with compatible Bose headphone and Bluetooth speakers with SimpleSync technology, upward firing dipole speakers, a center tweeter, and speakers arrays fills your space with crystal clear sound. Control your sound by using just one voice. It got Amazon Alexa built in. Stream your music from almost any device with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Apple AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, and Chromecast. Supercharged, top-of-the-line immersive sound. We're going to unbox this, check it out, and see what is inside. Good packaging. This is the soundbar here, very heavy. Accessories. So the remote control, the power cable, HDMI cable, optical cable, headphone, and information. There we go. See what it looks like. This is very heavy. So the top is glass, then you have metal and the plastic at the bottom part. This is pure machine. And see what it looks like. So the power cable goes in here, optical goes in here, and service HDMI eARC. To set this up, take the power cable, connect it to the power cable port, push it in, connect this to the socket. This is the remote control here. The white light is highlighting here. To set this up, you need to download Bose Music app. Open it up, agree to terms and conditions, allow Bluetooth access, select allow. Now set up a new product, then you select the product you want to connect, create a Bose account. So once you sign into your account, then you select the product. Now it's searching for the product. Bose Smart Ultra, select add. It's connecting. Bluetooth pairing request, select pair. Now it picked up available Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi setup. Then you scroll down and select the Wi-Fi network available. Then you put the details. So once you put the password, then you select connect. It's connecting. Connected to Wi-Fi. Success. Bose Smart Connect. Then you select where you want to. Bedroom, living room. Select living room. Then select save. Your product has been saved. Allow others to add living room to the account. Sharing of living room is disabled. Place your soundbar. Position your soundbar so that it is within the line of sight with all of your other device. Then select next. You can connect to TV via HDMI, connect to TV, or do not connect to. So I'm going to select do not connect to ARC port at the moment. Connect to optical. Then select next. Select next. Then select get started. Connect accessories. So if you have rear speaker, connect accessory. If you have rear speaker, Bose model. Would you like to add Bose model or surround speaker? Select do it later. So go to Bose app, Then select living room. Almost finished. We are installing an update on living room. This should take a few minutes. So you just need to wait for the update to complete. Finish setup. Adaptive. Tune to your room. Select get started. Plug the adaptive headset cable into the soundbar. So you take the adaptive headphone, connect it to the adaptive port. You take this. So once you connect it, you take this and move far away from the soundbar. We will take reading from 5 different spots in the room. This should take about 10 minutes outside the noise before we begin. Select ready. We'll show you got it. I'm ready. Got it. Next step, try a different spot. So you take it to different spot. Then try again. Got it. Move to different spots in the room. You take the headset and position it to different spots. The soundbar is situated. Then select I'm ready. Got it. Last spot. Move to one last spot in the room. After this one, we will be done. You take the headset and position it to different spots. Then select I'm ready. Calibration completed. Your system audio is now customized to this room. Then select OK. Introducing AI mode dialog. You turn on. All set. Your soundbar is ready to go. You can set up additional features later setting. Then select get started. It will show you this is the soundbar here. Living room. Enable more features. So you have group, source, audio, and power. This is enable more features. So you select adaptive audio. Adaptive is on. Center channel, high channel, bass, and treble. So you can customize it as you prefer. Increase the volume. So select living room. Now select Bluetooth. Select Bluetooth. Add a new. Ready to connect. Go to your phone settings and look for living room. Select living room. Bluetooth pairing request. Then select pair. Connecting. And it's connected. Audio. Now we're going to test the audio using Orbit Sound. If you want to set the Alexa or voice assistant, then you go to the settings. Then you select Smart Service Voice Assistance. It gives you option for you to set up the Alexa. If you want to select Chromecast built-in, then it give you option for you to enable Chromecast built-in. So these are the features. Adaptive is on. Center channel, we selected +10. Height channel +10. Bass +20. Treble +10. So you can select as you prefer. This soundbar deserves your attention. We connected this using Bose Music app. Thank you very much, guys. I'm happy with this soundbar. It deserves your attention. Thank you and stay blessed.